Did you know your gut health affects everything from digestion and mood to your energy levels? Imagine waking up feeling lighter, more energetic, and laser focused every morning, all thanks to one simple overnight breakfast. It may sound like magic, but it's completely science backed. Hi everyone, my name is Bimal and I am founder and CEO of Gut-Loving. Today, I'm thrilled to share my overnight breakfast that transforms your mornings by boosting your gut health, energy, and focus. I call it the Gut-Loving Chia Breakfast Delight, a perfect blend of probiotics, prebiotics, and anti-inflammatory ingredients that create a strong gut health symphony. And here's a little secret. Stick around until the end. There is a surprise for you. And also, I'll share my personal journey with this recipe and how it transformed my mornings until the bitter Boston winter made me rethink my routine. By the end of this video, you will not only learn how to make this simple yet powerful recipe, but you will also uncover surprising tips to customize it with your needs. Are you ready to create this gut-friendly delight? Here is what you will need. 1 cup of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger grated, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, and optional raw honey or cinnamon. Now, let's get into the preparation steps. Step 1. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to a half a cup of water. Stir it well, prevent clumping, and let it soak overnight in your refrigerator. Step 2. In the morning, scoop the plain yogurt into a bowl and mix it with soaked chia seeds. Then add the grated ginger, turmeric powder, and black pepper. Step 3. If you like a touch of sweetness, add a teaspoon of raw honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon powder. Step 4. Originally, I blended into a smoothie drink. However, I later discovered that I prefer chewing my breakfast over drinking my calories. So now I simply stir it all together and enjoy. And just like that, your gut-loving breakfast is ready. One more thing, I found that eating the same thing every morning can get boring. If you want to keep it interesting, stick around for the next segment where I will show you how to customize this recipe. Remember when I said this recipe is science-backed? Here is exactly why. Probiotic in yogurt replenish the good bacteria in your gut, aiding digestion and boosting immunity. Chia seeds provide prebiotic fibers that feed the good bacteria in your gut and also provide excellent omega-3s. Ginger reduces bloating and soothes digestion. Turmeric powder is a natural anti-inflammatory superstar. And black pepper enhances turmeric's absorption by 2000%. And optional, a teaspoon of raw honey or a dash of cinnamon for flavor adds sweetness. I first tried this recipe a few months ago and the transformation was incredible. My energy soared and I felt sharper and more focused all day. But then Boston's brutal winter hit. I quickly realized that waking up to a cold drink or cold breakfast wasn't for me. Even after letting the yogurt come to room temperature, it was still too chilly. I eventually switched to a warm breakfast, but I'm eagerly waiting for warmer days so I can go back to this gut-loving delight. Now, while this recipe works wonders for most people, you might want to tailor it to perfectly suit your unique taste and lifestyle. Let's explore some exciting customization options. Like me, if you do not like to drink your calories, then you can skip the blend and simply stir all the ingredients and enjoy as is. An added benefit to this is one less thing to clean up. And if you are not a fan of chia seeds, then swap them around for flax seeds or hemp seeds, which still provide excellent fiber and omega-3 benefits. And if you love the benefits of chia seeds but crave for a change in taste or texture, then rotate them with obviously flax seeds or hemp seeds for variety. And if you dislike starting your day with a cold meal, especially during those chilly winter mornings, then allow the mixture to come to room temperature before eating. If you are looking to boost your protein intake, then consider soaking nuts like almonds, cashews, or walnuts overnight along with the chia seeds and mix them into your yogurt. You can also add dried fruits like figs or dates for a natural energy boost. For a more protein-packed version, you can mix it with a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Make sure it's unflavored or vanilla to keep the flavors balanced. And if you are vegan or prefer non-dairy options, then substitute with coconut, almond, or soy-based yogurt to still get that vital probiotic boost. These customizations let you easily adapt the recipe to your specific needs, whether you are vegan, protein-focused, or looking for a winter-friendly version. There is truly something for everyone. Now that we have covered the customization, let's take a closer look at how you can maximize the benefits of this recipe. Why stop at just one healthy habit? Let's pair this with some additional tips to take your gut health to the next level. So that's why before we wrap up, here are 3 extra science-backed tips to elevate your gut health even further. Start with eat this 3-4 times a week to maintain consistent gut health. Pair it with a diverse diet. Aim for 30+ plant types a week to feed your gut microbes. And 3, skip processed snacks before bed. Late night sugars can disrupt your microbiome's repair cycle. This simple overnight recipe isn't just a meal, it's a gift for your gut. By starting your day with this, you're supporting digestion, boosting energy, and setting yourself up for a better overall health. So why not give it a try tonight? Your gut will thank you tomorrow, and these small changes like this can lead to a big health transformations. And your gut deserves it. I promised a surprise early in the video. That surprise is a free 1-page guide which summarizes all these points, ingredients, recipe, science behind it, customization, and furthermore science-backed tips. Click the link below or drop a comment. Don't miss out this valuable resource to help you optimize your health every day. Thank you for watching. I hope you are as excited as I am to try the Gut-Loving Chia Breakfast Delight and experience the benefits of improved digestion, higher energy, and happier gut. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who could use a boost in their health routine. Cheers to a healthier gut, and I will see you in the next video.